Now coming up is a very special story. This is about a girl in Kolkata. She's a graduate. In fact, she has a first-class distinction in history honours. She's a resident of Bengal. Her name is Swarnali Samanta. But despite a graduation degree in her hand, she's applied for a job of a laboratory attendant at the morgue to handle corpses at the Neel Ratan Sarkar Medical College. Now, the requirement of the job here is just to clear the 8th standard. She, remember, is a graduate with distinction in history honours. Now, the position that she has is basically an overwhelmingly male-dominated profession. It is usually appealed to the dome community, so to say, to take charge and apply for these jobs where she is applied. Requires one to handle corpses at the City Medical College and Hospital and other duties apart from that as well. Listen in to what Swarnali Samanta has to say about why did she choose to apply or forced to apply for this job.
एक्चुअल अभी जो पैंडेमिक सिचुएशन चल रहा है उसके चलते हम लोगों के यहाँ पे जॉब की बहुत ही प्रॉब्लम है. जॉब अगर है भी उसका कोई सिक्योरिटी नहीं है. ठीक है, तो इससे पहले भी हम लोगों ने सरकारी नौकरी का एग्ज़ाम दिया है बट कुछ भी हासिल नहीं हुआ है. ठीक है, तो अभी सिचुएशन मुझे एक नौकरी चाहिए जिसका एक सैलरी जो है वो अच्छे से हो और जॉब का जो सिक्योरिटी है वो भी होना चाहिए. तो एक तो सवाल दिमाग में आता है कि ये इतना पढ़ने के बाद मुझे मुर्दों के साथ रहना पड़ेगा. ये सब सोचने के बाद लास्ट में वही हम सोचते हैं कि मुझे नौकरी चाहिए. ठीक है, अभी जो भी है उसका सिक्योरिटी चाहिए. ये चलते वो सब दिमाग से निकालना पड़ रहा है.
The corona-led lockdown for the past 1.5 years has led to many people losing their jobs, and maybe that is the reason why a 30-year-old female graduate of Bachelor of History in Kolkata filing an application for a job which needs the applicant to be somewhat a class 8 pass. The Medical College NRS in Calcutta last year had come up with various applications wherein 6 requirements were needed for individuals who had to handle corpses. They were traditionally called as domes. The requirement was only 8 pass. Swarnali Samanta, a Bachelor of History Honours student, had also applied for the same. She spoke to us and she told us that what she wants right now is a permanent job and job security and not what the work is all about. With camera person Kiranjit, this is Suryagni Roy for India Today, Kolkata.